Here's how to get this effect. First, open the Play Store and search for GlitchFX. Click Install and open it. Select a video. Click and hold an effect to apply it. Thank me later. You can also explore a full library of effects inside the app. Simply scroll through the collection, find an effect you like, then click and hold to apply it to your video. You'll see the effect previewed in real time as it plays. If you want to remove an effect, just use the eraser. Then move on and add another effect. There's also a dedicated library of filters designed to instantly make your videos look more catchy, stylish, and eye-catching. Use the link in the description to download GlitchFX and take your videos to the next level.